In order to add a KamiCare camera to one of your rooms, we first need to connect it to your Wi-Fi network and then register it with the KamiCare application. We call this process pairing, and it's actually a lot easier than it sounds. Let's look at how it's done. Plug your camera in one of the outlets in the room where it will be used. Once plugged in, the camera will say,
"Welcome to KamiCare."
Great, let's start pairing our camera. In the KamiCare web application, click on the Manage Cameras tab in the left-hand menu, then the Add Camera on the upper right corner. Wait for the camera to say,
"Waiting to connect."
Then press I heard it. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials and press Next. Hold your camera in front of the QR code that appears on your screen. The camera will scan your code. Once scanned, it will say,
"QR code scan is successful. Connecting to Wi-Fi."
Press I heard it. The camera will then automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network and say,
"Wi-Fi is connected. Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now."
Great, the camera is paired. Before using it, let's enter a few camera informational details. Give your camera a name and enter its room location. Next, enter the name of the resident that is staying in the room where we're installing the camera. That's it. We've paired a camera. That was easy, right? Check out the Setting Camera View video next in the KamiCare Help Center to learn how to continue setting up your camera.